Hey, what's up guys, Phil here, and this is a review for the TackSpace Lift Recliner. TackSpace sent me this chair for my unbiased review. The chair comes shipped in two very large boxes, weighing about 90 pounds and 56 pounds respectively, so they are quite heavy. Each contains different parts of the chair, and one box will contain the assembly instructions. The easiest way I found to remove the components from the boxes is to turn them on their sides and slide the contents out. Box A is the heavier one and contains the base of the chair with the frame and lift assembly. Underneath the chair's seat, you'll find a bag containing parts required for assembly, which you should detach and remove. Inside the bag is the remote control for the lift mechanism, power adapter for the lift motor, 2 stabilizing feet, 4 bolts with 4 wing nuts, and 2 plastic bracket caps. Most of the weight is from the chair base's heavy-duty alloy steel framework, which feels thick, sturdy, and long-lasting. The chair base also ships with the 2 side ears for the seat back. Be sure to remove all the plastic and foam packaging from each component. In Box B, you'll find the seat back and 2 chair arms. The right chair arm has a pocket for the remote control for the chair, while the left arm does not. And this is the seat back. The first step of assembly is to install the anti-tip stabilizing feet to the frame. Take one of the feet and insert 2 bolts into the holes on the bracket. Then, at the back of the chair, insert the bolts into the matching holes on one side of the frame. Secure the bolts using 2 wing nuts, making sure they are tight. Then do the same on the other side. You may need to slide the zip tie securing the remote's control cable to the frame over to install the wing nuts, or you can carefully cut and remove the zip tie if you prefer. Next, let's attach the arms to the chair, and I'll start on the left side. Line up the 2 metal brackets on the inside of the arm with the 2 metal catches on the side of the chair seat. Slide the brackets down over the matching catch and press down firmly until they latch into place. Here's what that looks like from the back. Then do the same on the other side. Ensure the bracket slides all the way down and is fully seated on the posts. Now we can attach the seat back. Carefully slide the 2 metal brackets extending from the bottom of the chair back onto both the exposed posts at the back of the chair at the same time. Make sure to press down firmly so that the metal clip on the chair back channel snaps into the notch on the bracket. Now we'll attach the ears to the sides of the chair back. Line up the catch with the bracket on the inside of the corresponding ear. This one can be a little tricky to line up, but just make sure you get both sides of the bracket over the catch before pressing down firmly. You'll want to make sure that the ear is seated all the way down on the catch until the latch engages. Between the seat cushion and the arms, you'll want to cap the front metal bracket with the included plastic caps. Simply pull one side of the seat cushion towards the middle to expose the bracket and push one of the plastic caps into the bracket until it is secure. Then do the same on the other side. Attach the power adapter to the port in the back next to the power switch. The connector only goes in one way, with the wire to the left. Plug the adapter into any outlet and set the red switch to the on position. It will light up when powered on. Then secure the lower flap using the hook and loop strip along the bottom. Let's take a quick look at the remote. When the chair is powered on, a blue light will illuminate around the buttons. The up arrow lifts the chair, and the down arrow will lower and recline the chair. At the tip of the remote is a USB port that you can use to power or charge a mobile device with a low current. Just plug a USB cable into the port and connect your mobile phone, and you can see that it will start charging. That's pretty convenient to have an extra USB port right at your fingertips. The coiled cable on the remote is about 3 feet long and can stretch up to 5 feet long. One thing to note is that the controller will only move the chair as long as you're holding the buttons down. When you let go, the chair will stop moving. There is no one-touch button or feature that will fully recline or lift the chair with a single short press. From a seated position, reclining the chair fully takes about 15 seconds. So while it's not instantaneous like a spring lever mechanism, it's a nice, slow, and even pace. At full horizontal, there's a slight bend at the waist, and the chair is quite comfortable and relaxing. The anti-tip feet make the balancing feel secure and steady, and at no point did I feel like the chair would tip or fall over. When you're ready to get up, simply press and hold the up button on the remote to return the chair to the seated position. Continue to hold the button, and the chair will lift to assist those who need a little help getting out of such a large chair. From a seated position, going to the fully lifted position takes about 23 seconds, and this allows the user to firmly plant their feet on the ground in a semi-standing position and easily lift themselves out of the chair. Perfect for elderly users or those with limited mobility. While you can leave the seat in the lifted position after getting out of the chair, I prefer to return it to the seated position prior to the next use, as it's a little awkward to get in the chair while it's in the lifted position. When fully assembled, this chair measures 33 inches wide, 40 inches tall, and 36 inches deep. The seat back is 28 inches tall, while the seat itself is 21 inches deep and 23 inches wide. When fully reclined, the chair measures 60 inches long, so it's recommended to leave at least 3 feet behind the chair in order to fully recline. The faux leather fabric is handsome, thick, and upscale, with a realistic grain, glossy finish, and soft, pliable feel. The material is stitched with chunky, durable thread that doesn't feel like it would break or tear easily. It's also available in several other colors. The chair itself has a decent amount of cushion that doesn't feel too firm nor too mushy, and I found the sitting and lounging experience to be very comfortable. This chair can hold and lift up to a 330-pound capacity and is suitable for both tall and short individuals. The back and arms can even be easily removed for storage or moving. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.